This insurance fraud footage shows a woman in a bright red jacket suddenly sprinting across the lanes directly into the path of the approaching vehicle. Before the car even reaches her, she deliberately throws herself face first onto the hood, clinging to the vehicle to simulate a severe pedestrian strike. However, the driver immediately shuts down the performance. Refusing to entertain the scam, he promptly steps out of his vehicle, grabs the woman by her jacket, and physically drags her off the hood. With the help of a bystander, he pulls the passively resisting woman out of the direct path of his car and moves her toward the adjacent lane. Having efficiently cleared the road, the driver gets back behind the wheel and casually continues on his way, leaving the completely uninjured and failed scammer behind in the street. This driver was traveling down a busy city street in steady traffic when a dark BMW SUV ahead abruptly slammed on its brakes. The dashcam vehicle managed to stop in time, avoiding a rear-end collision and leaving a gap between the cars. Suddenly, the BMW's reverse lights illuminated. The SUV rapidly accelerated backward, intentionally ramming into the front hood of the stationary vehicle with significant force. 3 individuals exited the BMW and immediately initiated a rehearsed display of outrage and injury. An older man aggressively pointed at the windshield, blaming the victim for the crash, while a woman dramatically rubbed her neck to simulate whiplash. The confrontation shifted entirely when the victim rolled down his window and calmly pointed out the active dashcam mounted behind his rearview mirror. Realizing their entire insurance fraud, including the reverse ramming maneuver, was recorded in high definition, the scammer's aggressive demeanor instantly evaporated. This dashcam video captures a highly coordinated ambush targeting a commercial vehicle on a multi-lane road. Without warning, an older model sedan aggressively overtakes the truck and swerves directly into its path. A man quickly exits the sedan and marches toward the driver's side of the semi-truck.
Можете на Питере, держитесь, вот авария. Спасибо, принято. Сегодня полоса, мы терапевтику куда.
This is a staged extortion tactic meant to pressure drivers into quick payouts. Installing a multi-angle dashcam removes the intimidation, and strong insurance coverage protects against false claims. It starts in a residential area in China. A silver sedan is moving at a low speed, passing through what appears to be a quiet street. From the right side, a pedestrian suddenly moves toward the vehicle. The movement is abrupt, closing the distance quickly. From this angle, it appears the individual intentionally steps into the car's path. The driver slows briefly, then accelerates away from the scene. No further interaction is captured on camera. In this dashcam video, an escalating road rage incident on a snowy highway culminates in an intentional collision. After a series of aggressive lane changes, the driver of a white SUV brings his vehicle to a complete stop in the middle of the road.
What a fucking idiot.
You fucking retard. You driving in that lane, you idiot?
Fucking loser.
You're a fucking moron. You fucking hit me, buddy. Call the police. I'm reporting it right now.
Both vehicles resume driving, but seconds later, the SUV driver abruptly slams on his brakes in a deliberate brake check. The dashcam driver is unable to stop in time on the slick surface and rear-ends the SUV. The collision triggers a second, far more explosive confrontation.
Got license and insurance? That would be a good
Got it
thing.
on camera, buddy. The whole thing. It's on video.
You're a fucking loser, ginger bitch.
Fuck do you think he is?
Got it on camera, bud.
That's good.
On
Lick
video.
shit.
Albino fucking ginger loser bitch. You got your registration, everything? License registration? You don't have to search through stuff. Just like standing out.
The dashcam driver remains secured inside his car during the prolonged roadside standoff, which continues until law enforcement eventually arrives on the scene to take over. In this dashcam video, the camera captures the highway insurance scam. The recording vehicle is traveling at highway speeds in the left lane when a silver crossover enters the frame. Almost immediately after establishing position, the driver of the silver car slams on the brakes, attempting to force a high-speed rear-end collision. The driver said the silver car had also been targeting other vehicles, including an Acura in the adjacent lane, probing for an inattentive target. Because the driver was paying attention and maintained a safe following distance, the scam failed, but the footage clearly documents the aggressive, predatory tactics used in these staged collisions.